Hey beauties, welcome back. We're going to do a quick base routine. I have this video saved in my drafts, but I'm trying to release more content in different formats, which is why you'll see this shot in vertical format. You'll see some pop-ups on the screen, so I'd appreciate your feedback. But this is just a quick base routine that I like to do with underpainting techniques. As you guys know, I like to do my blush, concealer, and contour first, and then apply any foundation. So let me know how you like this base routine video. This is super quick. Again, it's just something that I had saved from the drafts, but I'm always trying to bring you guys some good, helpful content. Of course, I will have some more tutorials coming soon, but let me know what you think about this. The major key with this look is to blend, 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 because all of these colors have to marry together and mesh really, really well so that it looks seamless. But I'm highlighting the high points of my face, adding some color underneath, and doing some contour and sculpting work before I even add foundation. Everything that I'm doing is listed in the description box as usual, so don't forget to check out the description box for all the products along with the pop-ups on the screen. And again, any feedback is appreciated, but just let me know how you guys like this look. Enjoy!